Ka Committee on Women Empowerment joka yeng dor bar thawan ke Jylla ha ka sining kong joka tayo ka pin paw ke jing Sngewkhia halor ke jing nang kiyo ki Kam Bymman ye ki long kami bet ki ken thai khana ha ka Jylla ha ba krem klab thai khobor ha dem lawai ke Jylang ka chairperson joka committee ka kong am printing do ka long bo SP ke East Jyllei Hills district la pentip shaki ba ki den hadu ar pindutli ki jingjia thambor persha ki long kami bet ki khana kibla deb ban register ha ka district nadu klaling kot hadu menta the lokata kalai thuru bala pentip ru shaka panel shapang jingja hajaliar haga baka kurim kala shapan yap halau kurim but kurim jongkaro mentau la yap but kiprit kidang pelong ya ka jing token haka bay day pat ber ka jingja hanong ra haka ba argut kishipara kala shapan yap hokpa kate ga nong mi khmat kalai thu baka jingsi ka bay luksan ka blongsan lak tingka shaka te ka longing kala ya chakmat ba lakmi lenti ba hapo shiphosingi on la ban pendep no.
And we are pleased to know that finally the social welfare has already processed the ex gratia payment to be made to the family, and likely they will be getting the payment in the next 10 days. The status of the case is also in a very positive foot, because we are told that the police are way ahead in their collection of evidences and presentation of the case on behalf of the two victims who lost their lives. We also spoke to the police department led by the SP of East Jyllei Hills, where we were briefed that the one case in Jyllei in East Jyllei Hills, the police are now conversant. Wife who was killed by her husband, strangulated by her husband. That particular case, now the husband also was killed, and now the police are also investigating on that as well. We were also able to talk about crimes against women and children in Jyllei Hills, where the SP has informed us that from January to date, 26 cases of crimes against women and children, including POCSO, have been registered. We requested the East Jyllei Hills SP to again get back to us and give us all details of the 26 cases.
Hagi juga poru MLA ka Mausan Ram Obaderu de Khot ka committee ulong magla bathai ka tanat social welfare jong ka Jylla bakan Sngewkhia ban pej wat ka jinglong jingman joka kami joka te ki khlung war kum juru ki para jongka daga papan pau pat ka jing penyaw halor ka jingjor parat ka jing armet ki khna ki berang haki khat snam ka chairperson ka long bagla kintui ka tanat pulit ya ka tanat social welfare ka Women's Commission, ka Child Protection Commission, bakinya wan lang banya khun halor ka te ka benta habaro ki benta jong ka Jylla.
We are very concerned about teenage pregnancy. Once again, we are highlighting this to the communities across the state of Meghalaya, and we have requested the police department, the social welfare department, the Women's Commission, the Child Protection Commission to all get together and aggressively handle and combat the rising numbers of teenage pregnancies in various parts of the state of Meghalaya. We were also able to discuss briefly the conditions of the 5 minors in the recent raid in Turang, and we have requested the Department of Social Welfare to come back to us on the 8th of August to tell us the status of these victims who once again have been seen to have been oppressed, and crimes have occurred against these minors.